Hello everyone, this is Angel Matilla from ITC Europe, Omron, and let me welcome you to a series of videos to present the ENVY Faceplate version 4 project for the ENVY series HMI. These videos are focused on two main parts. One showing an overview of the pages of all the main sections of the project, and another showing how to adapt the project to your necessities. The first part, where the overview of the pages is shown, with 5 videos, one for configuration pages, data management, connectivity, device pages, and smart maintenance pages. 8 videos for showing the copy screen tool, copy macros tool, change memory addresses, how to change the IP address of connected devices, change an icon, how to adapt the receipt pages, how to add a new language, and finally, a video showing how to copy, remove, or reuse Omron devices. Please access the following videos to know more about the ENVY Faceplate project.